So special thanks to this company for sending me this 2-in-1 electric epilator kit. Very, very nice. Looks like it's pink. Nothing really to show you around the box. 120 minutes of epilating, LED lighting, compact and portable, and it's USB charging. And nothing there. So let's open it up, slide it out. Ooh, nice. That's it for the box. This is the USB cable for charging. Plugs in with a regular USB and then has a proprietary port to plug into the epilator. We then have a nice manual here, which goes over every detail about this, telling you operating information, charging times, how to use it, exactly how hair epilating works, etc., including maintenance and cleaning. And then this is actually the epilator. So we have this little head here, nice little protective cover on it, very nice. And then this is the actual device. Oh, and there's also this little cleaning brush. Nice. That's it for that. So this is the epilator. You can see this is the model YD409, 5 watts rated power. Got a 0, 1, and 2 option here, and then this of course comes off, and that will that's how you remove the hair. Let's see, does it have any charge? It does. So 0 is off, and then this is 1, and this is 2. And then to take the heads off, you press right here, and then you're able to remove that to put the other one on, like so. They only go in one way. So there you go. That is essentially this electric epilator kit. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.